Yes. Welcome again. Welcome, guys. I'm here today with the unboxing of this Office desk. Yes, and here we go. It's about 39 pounds, and you're gonna see what it looks like. It came well secured with foams, so it's well cushioned. Yes, come with labeled parts, labeled with numbers and letters. Yep. So now we're just gonna take them out. Nuts, bolts, some slotted screws. We call them Allen keys. It comes with a mini screwdriver as well. Complimentary. That's great. All the parts, the manual, and actual shelves. Multiple slots like a shelf. Yep. Multiple different parts. Multiple different parts. Yep. So in total, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 separate pieces, and some of the pieces have multiple smaller pieces inside. So next time we're going to be assembling it, and this is the unboxing of what comes inside of the box.